this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a stuck disc in your Xbox One and how to safely remove it. Now, if the physical button on the Xbox One is not working, there is a way that you can still remove it. Now, I'm using the smallest Allen wrench I could find, and if it's too large, it simply won't fit into this hole that you can manually eject a disc from. So here is the disk drive on the Xbox One, and I just have it flipped upside down, and we have to locate a small hole that's indicated by like an orange circle that we can stick our Allen wrench into. So this should be around 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and then 7 or 8 over, and we should be able to just stick this Allen wrench in and then push down. And what we want to do is actually push down hard enough so the disc pops out. So I think I found the hole right here, so I'm going to push down, and you can see the disc popped out on the front just a little bit. So once you find the hole, make sure you push down hard enough, otherwise it will not pop out all the way. So here it is, you can see it. Now you can grab it with your fingers and then just remove it. Otherwise, another thing, if the button on your Xbox One is broken, you can go to the game or the application on the Xbox One home screen and then press eject with the controller and see if you can pop it out that way. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.